Alright guys, so while we have this Tucson, I'll make multiple videos of what I'm doing. This is going to be for the mirror slash door panel slash speakers. So pretty simple. With the door panel getting off, there's a little door right there as usual. Another screw right there behind the little cover. So pop the little cover off. Something like this. No, sprinkler is not part of it. Another pop right here, another screw back there, all Phillips head. But the one thing I don't like, and I lost one already, is this little cover right here. This little cover covers this little screw. This little tiny cover. Let's see if we'll get it. This little guy. So what I did was use my razor, right, so you don't scratch anything. And it's just enough to get in between the crack of this guy and pop it off, but catch it, because it will go flying in your grass somewhere. So that one's gone. Bottom one, no one's ever going to notice unless you watch this video, but no worries. So let's take this last screw out and I'll show you how you get the door panel off. So this screw was part of the two that were on the side, plus that one. It's 3, 4, 5. Now it would be easier to pop this guy off. This you don't need any tools for. And this is going to be the same way you do for the mirror. So just depending on which one, we're going to do. But for the mirror, you don't even have to actually do this, but I'm going to cut this up. But anyway, so get this out of your way. That way the door can come up and out. Now this guy got to pop out just to get out of your way. And then the door will pop up and out in your hands. So now we're going to do the speakers, but unplug your window switch, and that's it for the door panel. So I'm going to say like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.